My greatest trading day ever today, going 3 for 3 in less than an hour of market open from 9 to 10. Let me show you exactly how I did it. To kick it off, my first trade of the day, I signaled directly to my Discord exactly what was going to happen, what I'm going to take, when it happened, and where to take profit. As you can see right here, boom, right here, right here. So let's break this first trade down. Starting it off with the most important thing, marking my draws of liquidity on the 15-minute time frame. Today I only had one buy side, but then I had all these sell side draws, and almost every single one of my draws did come into play today. So every single one is important to mark out. Boom. Could mark this, but if it's going to hit this, it's going to go lower. So don't really have to mark this out. But yeah, every single one of these draws I think came into play today. So now let's hop down to the 1 minute and show you my first entry. Correction, let's actually drop down to the 5 minute first to mark out this 5 minute news fair value gap we had this morning at 8:30, which is what I wanted to see get inversed. Hold on, let me make this a little shorter to help you visualize it better. Boom. So I wanted to mark that out, waited for that to get inversed. You can see we have the liquidity sweep right here. So now let's drop down to the 1 minute. Okay, now that we're on the 1 minute, you can see the entry played out perfectly. My signal was perfect. We sweep liquidity, inverse the news gap right here. Boom, enter on this candle closure. Take it down for a solid 20 points, which is around 2.1K for me today. But yeah, right off the bat, before market open, this was pre-market, we had a nice little 2.1K to start off the trading day. It's just as simple as that. My second trade for the day, which I got out for around 5.7K, was executed fully on the 1 minute. We have this internal buy side liquidity right here. You can see swept that, went right through that. Let me delete that. Boom, swept, went right through that. So what are we looking for? We're looking for a fair value gap to inverse. Where is that at? Right here. Boom. Took a while to happen, but you can see we eventually got it. Boom. Chop around, inverse it right here. Come right back up. I was waiting for the retest because of how choppy price was. Boom. Danced around a little bit more. Then right here on this candle, after we got that retest of the IFVG, I entered up. So let's drag it from here for a clean 96 points in total. Not bad at all on a 100-point trade on top of a 20-point trade. That's a total of 120 points I caught today already. So let's go to the third and final trade. And then the third and final trade was me actually ping-ponging the move I took before. So I caught the shorts. So what do? Turn right back around and catch the longs. You can see, boom, textbook V-shaped recovery on the liquidity sweep. Inverse this FVG right here. Boom. Candle, ton of volume. It looks beautiful. Enter right here on the candle closure. Could have took it all the way to this draw I had originally, but I got out right here playing it safe for 50 points. So what is that? I caught around 170 points today in less than an hour. Your favorite mentor is never doing that. Never will, never can. So not to brag, but I don't know who else is seeing these results. 3 winning trades, less than an hour. Higher win rate than any mentor you've ever had. But yeah, results speak for themselves. I'll leave it at that. And there is a reason why almost everyone in my profit section today name is purple, because they're all in premium. And everyone caught these dubs with me, man. It's that simple. If you want to join up, my website's going to be in the description below. Once again, results speak for themselves. Read these testimonials right here. Join up!